This is very beautiful morning. I have a very nice sleep and also I am also wondering why I have this kind of life. All of my friendship who are watching right now, I'm so very glad. Namaste Radha Sobaji for everyone. This is my car. It's worth 1.2 million. And you see my house? That's my house. It's only 6 million pesos. And I just wanted to tell over my problem, no more problem anymore. All you need to do is just to also PM me. You are required to message me and I will tell you what's the secret of it. I will tell you what is the system, and after that you will be millionaire just like me. Just like me, you have a car, you have a big house, and you are also here in a subdivision. To all of my friendship and all of my Indian national friends and also Filipinos, if you really wanted to have a very good life, all you need to do is just to pay me, because payment is the key. No more problem, no more bloody disgusting problem. Because really, if you really wanted to have a good life just like this, just to be like me, just no more imitation, just an originality, and I will give you and teach you what is the best thing that you need to do in order for you to have a very wonderful life. Of course, Filipinos are really working hard, but of course they cannot attain to have a very good life just like this, having this car, because it's very difficult for you to have a lot of work but no more income. Saving is very important. I will tell you, saving is very important. And just like now, we have a lot of foods, we eat a lot of foods, but no more savings. If you have this salary, your salary is just for the credit. So I will tell you now that having this kind of beautiful life is no easy anymore. But we have a system, and I will tell you what's the system. Just PM me, I will tell you. Okay? It's very good. It's very relevant, and it's very effective. Okay, no, do you see my shoes? This is my shoes, is worth of 3,000 pesos. One pair of shoes is 3,000. Do you see this? These are this is my flowers. Do you see my flower? I will tell you, this flower is really worth 10,000 pesos. I am selling it to India, to China, and also because we have a problem like now, we have the what's so called a virus. And then all you need to do is just like this. All of the butterflies, all of the different kind of insect, they don't have any problem because they are eating this. The butterflies in the bees are eating this. And of course, I will tell you, this is what we called my land. I own everything that you see. This is my small tree. This is my small tree. No more fruits anymore because I'm selling all of the fruits. And of course, I have a lot of grasshopper. More grasshopper, I will tell you, is very sellable in Cambodia. And I am telling you, this is my lot. That's what you see. It's a bigger lot. No people. I am only alone here. No more people. But you know what? I am telling you, all of this, all of what can you see? All of this is mine because I am very rich and I own the world. Thank you for watching my videos. And you know what? I really wanted to tell you that you have to subscribe on my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel is very good. Just add me because I have a lot of YouTube and I love to because we will have a lot of income. And as what you can see, this is all about. Come on, I will tell you my secret. This is my secret. I am selling this. This is a flower. This flower is very, very good. And I will tell you, this is worth 3,000 pesos per flower. I am selling it in different parts of the world. Yes, thank you very much for all of you. And after that, I am also selling the grasses because the grass here is very, very effective in virus. We have a lot of virus. No more problem because if you are eating grass, the animals are curing their body ache, toothache, and muscle ache, and everything. No more problem anymore. Thank you very much for watching.